today I am comparing $1 versus $100 mystery slime boxes. Keep in mind that I've never bought a mystery slime box of anything before, so it's exciting for me. Also, you might be thinking that that is a huge gap, which it is, but I'm mainly focusing on what could you potentially get in that price range. This is definitely inspired by the Worth It series from Buzzfeed, where they compare $5 fries to $100 fries, for example. Are there actually fries that cost $100? But you know what I mean. Also, Nicole Skyes did a similar video like this. I went onto Etsy and I searched for mystery slime boxes, and on the left side of the results there are filters that you can adjust. So I adjusted the price range to be from a minimum of $0 to a maximum of $20. This was actually supposed to be the original video. I was gonna do a $20 versus $100, but I actually had to order another box because the first one didn't come. There was no tracking number provided. It shipped on December 12th. Well, it's December 22 and the package still hasn't come yet. PSA alrighty. For any business owner out there, please notify your customers in a timely manner when there are delays. Things happen in life, we get it. I'm not trying to disrespect and belittle whatever someone may be going through, like not at all, that's disrespectful. It doesn't even take that long to respond to your customers, just a quick little message and that will do. In fact, you're disrespecting your customers' time. At the end of the day, you're a business owner, you don't want to leave your customers hanging, you don't want them to be suspicious of you. Period. Alrighty, let's move on, shall we? So this is the $1 mystery slime box that I bought from the shop called the Crystal Coach. So what attracted me into this particular listing is obviously the price. The picture and title says free squishy all over it. So I was like, yes, 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 I'm going to buy this product. Well, that price is too good to be true because the shipping is $9.99. That's how they get you with these low prices. So technically this box cost me $11. Well, why did I buy it? Because I was genuinely curious of what I would actually get, and it came nicely packaged. It came with candy, a squishy, a care sheet with borax, and it also had the names of the slimes on the care sheet. The box came with 3 2-ounce slimes, and all of them were bubble wrapped and securely taped to the maximum, which I really appreciated. A little bit of the slime got out of the container and dried up, but you know, not a big deal. I mean, the seller really taped the lid. This purple slime is called grape jelly and it smells exactly like it. Personally, I wasn't a huge fan of the scent. The slime itself, I would describe it as a little bit overactivated. I do want to mention that it has been in the cold weather. It's been cold here, so that could be one of the reasons. When I stretch the slime too fast, it does rip a little bit. It's on the thicker side. It's also glossy. It's still fun to poke. It's pokeable. The next slime is called Peach Crunch, and this one had some different colored foam beads in it. This is definitely not a crunchy slime like the name says because there's not a lot of foam beads in it. The texture is very similar to grape jelly, where it's a little bit overactivated, it's on the thicker side, it's glossy, it's not super stretchy. When I point out that it's overactivated, I'm just pointing it out strictly to point it out. I'm not complaining. Like I said earlier, it's cold here, so that definitely could stiffen the slimes up. For this one, I really liked the smell. It smelled really nice, like sweet and fruity. And finally, we have Ocean Blue. The texture of this one is similar to grape jelly and peach crunch, except that this one is glossier. Unfortunately, I did notice that the slime is not quite filled to the top. You can especially see it when I compare it to grape jelly. Love the scent. It smells really good. It kind of reminds me of laundry. And surprise for me, I found out that there was also a yellow heart charm. So do I think this package is worth the supposedly $11? I am going to say yes, because you get 3 2-ounce slimes, which is a total of 6 ounces for that price, which is decent, plus you get a squishy. However, I do wish that, this is just my opinion, my personal opinion, I do wish that there were more different textures because all of the slimes that I got were similar. But I know this is a mystery box and you don't get to choose the slimes that you buy. I know. Moving on to the $100 mystery slime box. So what specifically attracted me to buy this listing from the shop Kamba Lamba Slimes is the fact that it was $100 even and free shipping. So yes, sign me up, I'm in, I bought the product. The box has arrived and the seller packed it really good because there's so many extras and accessories. I'm going to quickly go through them. So it came with a paper that had a coupon code, some stickers, a goodie bag, and these are all the things that were inside the goodie bag. More stickers, more stickers, more stickers, highlighters, pens, shredded foam, more stickers, charms, borax for days, a snack, unicorn snack, a coin purse with a butterfly on it, a bouncy ball with a smiley face on it, and all of the slimes, and there were quite a bit of slimes. Couple of things like a macaroon toy, candy. Ooh, it's going fast. Okay. More candy, and here are all of the slimes. Starting off with these smaller slimes, I'm not sure what sizes are these. This one is Unicorn Cloud, and by the way, it had some nice labels on it, which was really nice. This one is a 3-toned cloud slime, had some gold glitters on top. Because it's small, it doesn't really drizzle, but it is stretchy. It's dry on the dry side. It didn't really particularly smell like anything, and there was minimal fallout. This one is Cento Highlighter, and this is a fun one because this is glow in the dark, and if you put this near a light bulb for at least a minute, supposedly it will glow in the dark. So this is a cloud cream. This one smelled like lime. It smelled really good. It was moist, but that's just pointing it out, and it was fun to squish. Unfortunately, the glow in the dark part didn't really work for me, but I think it's because I didn't put it near the light bulb long enough. Next up is watermelon slices, and this is such a nice slime. It's so clear, it's not sticky, it's those thick clear slimes the way I like my clear slimes. It's also pretty stretchy. It's not super stretchy, but it's pretty stretchy. It smells like watermelons. It smells so nice. It has these cubes, what I thought was jelly cubes, but it's not like the normal texture. It's like sponges. They don't pop, they stay put. They're still fun to squish. This one is called Funfetti, and this one had medium-sized white foam beads with a touch of some colored ones. It smells like cake, like vanilla cake, but it also low-key reminds me of Play-Doh a little bit, but it smells good. It's very stretchy and clicky. It is a little bit sticky sometimes, but that's fixable with all of the borax that the seller provided. Winter Wonderland is similar to watermelon slices. It is a thick clear slime, which I love. This one is in a taller container, so it's obviously a bigger size. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. It's so beautiful. It has some snowflakes and blue glitters. It's so clear. I was just so mesmerized by it. It smells like peppermint, which totally matches the theme. Next up is the bigger version of Scento highlighter. Unfortunately, it is a little bit underfilled. It's not quite filled to the top. The texture, the scent is all the same. This one is a little bit stiff though. I also really like the color. It pops like a highlighter. Next is Root Beer Float. So this one had white foam beads. It was a bit sticky, so I did have to activate it. I couldn't really smell anything. There was barely any scent. This personally was not my favorite, but it's a nice basic semi-foam. It doesn't stop here, there are more slimes to go. But hey, I'm getting my money's worth. This is Holiday Popcorn Tin, and this is a clear slime texture, so all of the clear slimes are pretty much similar, except this one is more stiff and less stretchy. It smells like that fresh popcorn, delicious, and the beads also resemble the popcorn look. Love. Hot cocoa smells like hot cocoa. It even resembles the hot chocolate drink. I don't know exactly the name, but I'm gonna say white styrofoam balls. I'm assuming this is a butter slime, but it is a bit more slimy than clay-like. A sleigh slime. It's smooth, it's buttery, it's creamy, amazing. Next is Santa's Cookies. This is a cloud slime. It definitely looks like cookies to me. It even smells like cookies, delicious cookies. I don't know exactly what type, but it smells good. Fresh out of the oven. And it had some green and red glitters and foam beads. It was easy to drizzle. It was on the dry side. It was stretchy, minimal fallout. Great cloud slime. It was wonderful. We're almost there. This is Cherry Taffy, and this one is such a nice slime. Definitely one of my favorites. It was glossy. I think there's some clay in this one because when I first opened it, I saw some of the clay dried up. It was super stretchy, clicky, and so smooth and creamy. It smells like cherries. Saving the biggest for last, this is Snowball Fight. It came in a freaking snow globe. I absolutely love the packaging. It was a little hard to get the slime out of the container, but I don't care, I love it. And the slime itself is so beautiful. It had a lot of white foam beads. It was kind of crunchy, not super crunchy, but it was still really fun to play with. And somehow it's still clicky, not super stretchy, but still pretty stretchy. And it makes great bubble pops. I loved squishing this. However, I wasn't a huge fan of the scent. It kind of reminds me of those high-end perfumes. So what are my final thoughts on this $100 package? It's worth it for sure because you get 12 slimes of various sizes, free shipping, and the seller shipped my package quickly. All slimes were bubble wrapped and nicely taped, so many extras. It was an amazing package. And that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Also, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!